माझे नाव सनी नाईक. हांगा असो प्रॉब्लेम जाला की हॉलांत रिसोर्सीन कितें हांगा गार्बेज प्लांट येता जो कितें आमकां खबरच ना गांवच्या लोकांक. आनी तर सपोज तो येयलो हांगा जाल्यार फूल ग्रीनरी वयतली हॉलांची. आनी मेन म्हणल्यार सकयल रिसोर्स आसा, उदक आसा, जे आमी बांयचें उदक पितात तें उदक पोल्यूट जातलें. मेन मागीर बीच आसा, बिचाकूच तें उदक सकयल वयतलें. तो मेन थिंग स्लोप आसा, स्लोपाचेच करता ते. सो सगळें उदक तें सकयल वयतलें. सो नेचर काबार जातलो सगळो. मेन म्हणल्यार तो नेचर आमचो ग्रीनरी फूल काबार जातली. हांगा 50 इयर्स पासून लोक रावल्ले आसा, खूब जाण रावता हांगा. सकयल लोकेलिटी भरपूर आसा. बट कितें हा, ही जी पोल्युशन जालें म्हणटरी मागीर सगळ्यांचे हेल्थाक प्रॉब्लेम जातले. सगळे उदक देंवतलें, जो घाण आसा ती सकयल देंवतली, बांयनी वयतली. सो ती आमी पितले मागीर ते आमी इफेक्ट जातलो. आमकांय मागीर प्रॉब्लेम जातलो, डिजीज जातलो. जाणटे आसा, खूब जाण आसा अशी. आनी मेन म्हणल्यार टुरिजमूय प्रॉब्लेम जातलो. हॉलान आसा बिचार, हॉटेल आसा, हांगा सकयलूच हॉटेलार देवस्थली हॉटेल आसा, तांकांय प्रॉब्लेम जातलो.
आप देख ही रहे हो जो इन्होंने गार्बेज फैसिलिटी बनाना शुरू किया है, सारा पेड़ काट दिया है, इलीगली पेड़ काटा है और लैंडस्लाइड होने का पूरा चांस है, जिसमें नीचे विलेजर्स रहते हैं. अभी विलेजर्स ने पूरा यहाँ पर धरना दिया. उसके बाद हम लोग वास्को पुलिस स्टेशन और इधर वेरना पुलिस स्टेशन में एक रिपोर्ट भी किया है, जिससे कि ये काम थोड़ा सा अभी रोका गया है. पर इसको वर्क ऑर्डर को पंचायत को कैंसिल करना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो ये मटेरियल रिकवरी फैसिलिटी है इसमें टॉक्सिक्स जो होंगे वो सब रेंज के साथ, क्योंकि ग्रेडियंट है, नीचे विलेजेस में जाएंगे और उनका हेल्थ बहुत खराब होगा. कोविड के टाइम में जहां अभी शुरू हुआ है पेंडेमिक, पिछले 1 साल से हम झेल रहे हैं. अभी इस टाइप का फैसिलिटी जहां रेजिडेंट्स ऑलरेडी रह रहे हैं वहां बनाना कितना समझदारी का काम है. और ये किसने किया है ये पता नहीं है, पता नहीं क्यों कर रहे हैं. और सब लोगों का हेल्थ इसमें रिस्क पे आएगा.
मेरे पास जो पिक्चर वीडियो 3 मंजिल का स्टोर बना रहे हैं. मैं आपको पिक्चर दिखाती हूँ.
And I have purchased a plot over here about 5 years ago, and my house is under construction over here. And I purchased a plot over here because it was nice, green, away from everything, and it's very clean and quiet. And now this garbage facility is coming up, storage facility. This is entire development area. When the plan was passed, the development part, the open spaces were marked, and the open spaces are not meant for garbage facilities. All the plot owners of this area are co-owners of this property, and it is for their benefit and it is for their enjoyment. And nobody was even aware of this garbage issue that is coming up. In fact, we were told that it was for the open spaces will be used for beautification, but that is not the case. A garbage storage facility is coming up, which is totally against the rules. You cannot have it, first of all, in a private property, and especially when the people do not want it. We have conveyed our wishes to the panchayat, who is overlooking it, and they have no right to do it without our consent. If it is supposed to be for our benefit, then we should agree to it. We do not believe it is for our benefit, and it will be hazardous. It's a health hazard, and it will ruin the area totally.
My name is Rakesh Unni. I've been staying, I made a house here and I'm staying here for the last 10 years. And this is a development created by Alcon, and this whole development is called Rangvi Estate Phase 2. And in this development there are two open spaces, one is over there and one is here. The open spaces are actually part of this whole development, this private residential, it's a residential development. And we suddenly, without any notice, we were given to understand now this is a garbage material recovery facility. In fact, at the beginning when I moved in here, I was told by the Panch that, you know, in the open spaces we can have gardens and, you know, play areas. That's the whole idea of having open spaces. But having a material recovery facility for the whole of Velsa resourcing, why in this private residential area is very shocking to us. So we have been raising this issue is, you know, why do it here? when it's a residential area with this is not the place for such a thing. An open area as per the PDA plan must be for the community over here, where we can have a garden and other facilities. So, this is not an ideal place for a garbage recovery facility where the water is going to flow. There's going to be so much of stink and pollution. So that is what I wanted to tell.